First, the handle no discharge in right place. We need to check the handle of the material feeding. Is the handle no discharge down enough? If the discharge switchboard is not in place, no switch triggered, causing inability to produce ice cream, so it must be pushed to the discharge switchboard. Another reason is that the handle has not been pushed down into place. The discharge switch is not closed. Another important point is that when you are pulling the handle, has the G on the screen appeared? Be sure to check if G appears. If G doesn't flash, then the machine hasn't started. Second, the first cup of material after shutdown will be relatively soft, because the downtime is relatively long. After a prolonged shutdown, when startup, the first cup has water or is relatively soft. It is normal. Then the second and third cups will be normal. Third, the shift set to high or to low, to adjust by adding or subtracting gears. Fourth, the downtime setting is too long. Appropriate adjustment of downtime is required. Fifth, material feeding switch malfunction. We need to test the machine. When we press the press plate, will there be the sound of D? Can the material be discharged normally? If not, we need to replace the switch.